The Torah this week gives us a description of Avram Avinu at the end of his life, one which is there to teach us a very important moral and psychological lesson. The Torah describes that Avram Avinu was in a state of zakein v'saveya. He was old and he was satisfied. What does the Torah mean that he was satisfied? What kind of description is that? The Ramban explains that the term saveya means that Avram Avinu had adjusted his desires, his physical desires, and what he pursued in life, so that he was satisfied with what he had. He did not look to the next day. He didn't feel like he was missing anything that he still needed more time to accomplish. Insofar as what he desired in his physical life, his material well-being, he was satisfied. This is a very important lesson for us as we think about what we want in our lives in terms of our lifestyle, our ambitions, our material desires. What is it that we want and we pursue? The Ramban is telling us that for a person to achieve a proper level of psychological happiness and satisfaction, a person has to be able to adjust and restrain their physical desires so that they can satisfy them. Oftentimes, a person can achieve something and they can attain something, whether it be in their job, in any type of ambition, and a person will still be left wanting more. The key that the Ramban teaches us through the model of Avram Avinu is that a person has to learn to adjust and restrain those so they can truly be satisfied and live a happy life.